In this video for our Rock Like the Pros 10-day beginning practice and technique challenge. First of all, what a guitar I brought out for you on this one. But this is going to work on another variation of our 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and great job for sticking with this challenge. These should be really great warm-ups. You should be seeing a difference already in your playing, and when you continue on even past these videos, you're going to see that increased speed, dexterity, strength, confidence, everything what we've talked about for this challenge. All right. I want to thank Cordoba. They've donated two guitars for this challenge. One is for the general challenge. We'll call it general challenge. And one is for the VIPs. If you want to join the general challenge, all you got to do is go sign up below. There's a link. You'll find out all the information you need to do, like subscribe to my channel here, subscribe to Cordoba, post at least one video on the forum, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you sign up for the challenge and have a chance to win that Cordoba Protege C1 guitar. Now, if you become a VIP, besides a different guitar, a really cool guitar, you also get all the tabs, PDFs, backing tracks, access to the Zoom calls with me, bonus lessons, lifetime access to all the videos, PDFs, backing tracks, and everything, and a chance to win a Cordoba Mini 2 guitar, which is the EBCE, which is solid spruce top, ebony sides and back with the cutaway, and a pickup. Those things are really, really cool. All right, are you ready? Because we're just about ready here to get started on this particular lesson. If you're digging this stuff, if you like what we're doing, you want to go further, we're going to have a level 2, an intermediate challenge as well. We're going to have early bird special right now. We'll put a link to that below so you can go check out that and sign up for that and get ready for that challenge. All right, let me show you what we're going to be doing. I'll teach it to you, and then we're going to play it with the backing track. All right, we'll stop. We'll stop right there. As you know, we'll slow it down. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. It's a really great exercise because these finger exercises and all the variations, matter of fact, you can come up with your own, are really great for the eye-hand coordination and brain-hand coordination as well, because you're going to use these different fingers that you need to play these exercises. Now, this one is fairly simple. It's just 1, 4, 2, 3. I say that simple, meaning simple to understand, a little harder to execute, especially with the backing track. Now, I decided to bring out my Gibson L4. L4 for this one, my jazz box. This thing has seen a lot of miles when I was up in LA, studying jazz at USC, being a musician, gigging a lot, doing studio stuff. I use this a lot. This L4 is basically like an ES-175, except it has a solid top. So anyway, I wanted to bring this one out for this lesson. Of course, any guitar will work. Steel string, acoustic, jazz box, electric, nylon string, whatever you got is totally fine. If you need a pick, if you need strings, if you need a guitar, everything you need, the #1 store, store.rocklikethepros.com. Check that out. All right. There's a little volume. We're going to start right here on the first string, first fret with the first finger. Then we're just going to jump right here to the pinky, 4th fret, and then to the 2nd fret with the 2nd finger, and then 3rd fret with the 3rd finger. All right, and it's just these variations that are really going to help gain that dexterity and control that we've talked about. Okay, let's do that again. So it's just 1st finger, 4th finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. And I am going to be using alternate picking when I do this with the pick. Then you're just going to go to the 2nd string, do the same thing. 3rd string. Just simple chord notes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th string. That was the counting, by the way. The fingers is 1st finger, 4th finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. All right. Now, when you get there, by the way, how you doing so far? Leave that comment below on how you're doing with this pattern. Then we're just simply going to slide up to the 2nd fret and do the same thing, because it's going to be 2nd fret, pinky to the 5th fret, 2nd finger to the 3rd fret, and then ring finger on the 4th fret, go down a string, same thing. Go down a string, and do this with me now. Next string down. This is slower than the backing track that we're going to be using. First string now. Then when you get here, you're simply going to slide up, first finger on the 3rd fret, do the same thing now. It's 3rd fret up to the 6th fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 2nd string. Do it with me, get it nice and clean. Play on your fingertips. I don't want to hear any buzzing, like any... I don't want to hear any of that. If you're getting that, you know what the problem is. You're either not pressing down enough, you're on the fret instead of next to it, or maybe one of your fingers is drooping down and getting that. So that was the 4th string. Let's do that again. Now up to the 5th string. And the 6th string. We're just going to do this nice and slow because with the backing track coming in, and then you know what to do. Slide up 4th fret, 7th fret, 5th fret, 6th fret. Same thing. Next string down. Let's do it with me. Nice and relaxed. No pressure on that hand. Should be nice and smooth. And then the last one for this video will just be 5th fret, 8th fret, 6th fret, 7th fret, 2nd string. And next, 3rd string, 4th string, 5th string. And then for now, right there, we're going to end for this video, especially when we do the backing track. Now, you can take this up higher. You can take it back down as well, which is great practice as well. But for this video, we're doing that. All right, how are we doing? By the way, what are you playing? What kind of guitar are you playing? I'm playing, as I mentioned, my L4, my Gibson L4. Leave that below of the guitar, ukulele. That's UKiteThePros. Nope, guitar. What guitar are you playing for this? All right. That's about it. Are you ready? We're going to do this with the medium backing track. That's 120. Let's see how we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that? Leave that comment below, 1 to 5. I was just thinking while I was playing this, I mentioned UKiteThePros earlier, my ukulele site. It feels so good to be back doing more guitar stuff. And this thing, like I said, I've spent so much time on this guitar in my career. It absolutely feels fantastic. And I'm glad that you're here with me for these videos. If you needed the tab or the backing tracks, that was a medium. Remember, we have a slow, a fast, and we have the longer backing track so you can even go up higher or lower, back down on the neck. That's available to all the VIPs, okay? So make sure to go sign up for the VIPs. It's totally worth it. You'll enjoy it. All right, part of this as well is you got to post your video over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. At least one video. The more you post, the more chances you have to win. Remember, we have 2 Cordoba guitars to give away, one for the general challenge and one for the VIPs. But I'm really proud of you for sticking with this. You should be seeing some improvement in your technique if you like this stuff. Remember, I mentioned we have the level 2 coming up, but we're also going to do something really special, an advanced technique workshop, which will be just a workshop with me. I'm going to try to get some special guests as well. We're going to have an early bird special for that. If you kind of dig this stuff and want to even take your playing even further, then that's a great option for you. All right, keep at it. We got more videos. Do not stop. Do not give up. Keep going. You can do it. I'm glad you're here, and we'll see you in the next video.